If an apple disengages from a branch, it'll hit the ground. Unless, Caleb, you and I and Stuart are standing there, and when that apple disengages from the branch, we reach out, grab the apple, then it does not hit the ground. So the Bible and miracles are not a statement that the laws of nature are wrong. No, the laws of nature are right because they've been created by a rational being, a creator God. But because he is the creator, supernatural God, he is able to intervene in situations. He's the hand reaching out, catching the apple before it hits the ground.
I don't even know if he answered the question though. I guess. I mean, he drawed it